Well, guys, you asked for it and we finally got it done. I am so excited to introduce to you our DIY bride wedding planner. I am so excited about this. We have been working so hard on it, you just can't believe. In this planner, you have everything you need to create and implement and execute the wedding of your dreams. It's ready for instant download. You print it out, you put it in your own binder. We even made spines for your binders because we just want everything to be as wonderful as possible. I mean, it's just all there for you. All your planning guides, all your checklists, all your timelines, everything is right there for you. This step-by-step planner takes you through all the things you've thought of and so many things you haven't. So if you want to get your hands on it, head right down to the description, click on the link, and it's there for you. So this week's project request comes from Jessica, and she writes, "My wedding date is coming up soon, and we are doing a variety of colors, mostly purple, blue, pink. I'm not giving him a choice," she laughs, that must be her fiance, "silver and gold. Our flowers are roses, orchids, lilac, and hydrangeas. The roses and orchids are because they are my favorite flowers. Some of mine too. The hydrangeas because we've seen that most spring and summer weddings have them. That is very true. Lilac is special because it was my soon-to-be husband, mother, and grandmother's favorite flower. And it is to honor them on our special day." That is so sweet. We are also planning on doing ghost photography, wow, to honor them as well. Well, Jessica, you have put a lot of thought into your decor for your wedding and reception, and that, my dear, is a sign of a true planner. So congratulations on that. So we took this inspiration picture that she sent us and we turned it into one of her requests. She had several, but we could only pick one. And one of her requests was she wanted to learn how to create a table runner out of artificial flowers that would stay in place. So that is exactly what we did. It came out fantastic and we added a little something to it. So let's get started with this week's project, Candelabra Floral Table Runner. All right, guys, let's go. So instead of just doing a regular table runner, we are going to make ours a candelabra, very simply, by adding 2 glass tapered candle holders that we got from the Dollar Tree onto our 5x12 foam rectangle, just using high temp hot glue. Now I want you to know that this idea will work with any artificial flowers that you choose. But a real special tip is, in order to make sure you have the volume and the fullness, I typically always use hydrangea as the base flower. So the wonderful thing about this project is you can make it as long as you want, simply by using toothpicks, the extra long toothpicks, and attaching end to end. So if you know you want to make this table runner more than 12 inches, then make as many sections as you need, being sure to only put flowers on the very ends of the sections, and you can go from 12 to 24 to 36 and on, fitting your table exactly. Add a little flair with a non-traditional candle color. Just make it your own. You can do it. Well, Jessica, what do you think? Absolutely stunning. This will make any reception the talk of the town, and you won't believe the price. Don't forget, all the links to the supplies are in the description below, along with the project costs. Just click on that upside down triangle and it's right there at your fingertips. If you like this video, why don't you subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. Send us a comment, write us a question. That is what we are here for. You can also follow us on all of our social media. That would be Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And if you would like to hang out with us a little bit more, head on over to our Patreon channel, and there you can hang out with me as I create projects right in my very own home. In addition, if you would like to submit a project request, you can do it two ways. You can head right on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, and click on the project request tab, or you can head down into the links below and click on the project request tab. Don't forget, check out the Ebates rebate. It is free. All of you are spending all your hard-earned money with Christmas gifts and holiday surprises, so why not earn money while you're spending it? Ebates is F-R-E-E. Just sign up, click on the link, click on the Ebates link, find all of your vendors, do all of your shopping online, and get paid. It's awesome. In addition to that, if you would like to take a closer look at our binder, our DIY bridal planning binder, you can go ahead and click on the link also. It'll take you right to it. And I hope it's a blessing to you because we worked very hard on it. So looking forward to hearing your comments on that. Well, guys, it's time for us to go. So until next week, take care. See you soon. God bless.